Can advocates work abroad? In today's lecture, we will discuss a question that many law students and practicing advocates in India often ask. The topic is, can advocate work abroad? With globalization and the expansion of international trade, the legal profession is increasingly becoming global. Lawyers today frequently deal with cross-border transactions, international arbitration, and multinational clients. However, the ability of an advocate to work abroad depends on several factors, including the legal regulations of the country where the lawyers intend to work, legal practice in jurisdiction specific. One of the most important principles in the legal profession is that legal practice in jurisdiction specific. This means the lawyers must usually be qualified in the country where they wish to practice law. For example, an advocate enrolled in India cannot automatically practice law in another country without meeting that country professional requirement. Different jurisdictions have their own bar examination, licensing system, and professional regulatory authority. Pathway for advocate to work abroad. Although legal practice is jurisdiction specific, there are several pathways through which advocates can work internationally. Qualifying is another jurisdiction. One pathway is to qualify under the professional licensing system of another country. For example, lawyers may qualify as solicitor in England and Wales through examination regulated by the Solicitor Regulatory Authority. Similarly, some lawyers may pursue bar examination in other jurisdictions where eligibility requirements permit foreign candidates. International arbitration practice. Another pathway is specialization in the international arbitration. Arbitration proceedings often involve lawyers from multiple jurisdictions. Indian lawyers with expertise in arbitration law frequently participate in international arbitration matters, operate in-house legal roles. Many multinational companies employ lawyers in their legal departments. These roles often involve compliance and regulatory advisory, contract drafting, corporate governance, international business transactions. Such position lawyers may work internationally without necessarily appearing in court. Legal consultancy and advisory work. Advocate may also work abroad as legal consultant or advisor. These roles involve providing expertise on legal issues related to international business, regulatory framework, and cross-border transaction. Skills required for international legal law career. Lawyers who wish to work internationally must develop certain key skills. First, strong legal research and analytical ability are essential. Second, lawyers must understand international legal framework and competitive legal system. Third, communication skills and professional networking are important when working with international clients and legal teams. Challenges and consideration. While international legal career offer many opportunities, advocates must carefully consider the regulatory requirement of each jurisdiction. Different countries may require professional examination, local legal training, qualifying work experience. Understanding that these requirements is important for planning an international legal career. Conclusion. To conclude, advocates can work abroad, but the pathway depends on the legal framework of the country where they wish to practice. By obtaining relevant qualification, developing specialized legal expertise, and understanding international legal system, lawyers can explore professional opportunity beyond their home jurisdiction. Thank you for watching this video. I am Advocate Dr. Sarkar. If you have any question regarding any qualification working abroad from India, so please give me a comment below or WhatsApp me. There are many degrees which you can provide to get if you want to work abroad. Okay, thank you. Thank you.